In previous video, we have learned that an excited free atom present in a gas emits radiation only at specific fixed wavelengths, due to which there is formation of sharp bright lines on the dark background. Such spectra are called line spectra, or more specifically, atomic spectra of that element. In this video, we are going to learn line spectrum or atomic emission spectrum of hydrogen. The experimental setup to perform this experiment consists of a discharge tube containing hydrogen gas at low pressure. This tube is provided with electrode at both ends connected through switch to a high voltage source. When the switch is closed, electric discharge takes place through the tube. The hydrogen atoms get separated from their hydrogen molecular state into free atoms. These atoms absorb energy from the electric discharge and goes to excited state. In turn, the excited hydrogen atoms emit radiations containing discrete frequencies and the tube shines with bright pink color. The dispersion of this light gives line spectrum or atomic spectrum of hydrogen atom. The spectrum consists of number of sharp lines, each of which corresponds to a particular frequency of light emitted by hydrogen atoms. In 1885, Balmer showed that if spectral lines are expressed in terms of wave number nu bar, that is, the number of wavelengths per unit length, then the visible lines of hydrogen spectrum obey the formula nu bar is equals to 109677 into bracket 1 upon 2 square minus 1 by n square per centimeter, where n is equals to 3, 4, 5 and so on. The series of lines present in visible region of emission spectrum of hydrogen can be obtained by this formula, and this series is called Balmer series. The Swedish spectroscopist Johannes Rydberg suggested that the formula can be restructured as nu bar is equals to 109677 into bracket 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square per centimeter, where n1 is equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on, and n2 is equals to n1 plus 1, n1 plus 2, n1 plus 3 and so on. The value 109677 is called Rydberg constant for hydrogen. The lines in emission spectrum of hydrogen are characterized by 5 series. That is, Lyman series corresponding to ultraviolet region, Bamer series corresponding to visible region, Paschen series corresponding to infrared region, Brackett series corresponding to infrared region, and Pfund series corresponding to infrared region. Let's understand the line spectrum. Each orbit has some energy, and energy increases as number of orbit from nucleus increases. The electron, which is at infinite distance from nucleus, is thought to have maximum energy equal to 0. Note that number increases, but due to negative sign, value decreases. When an electron jumps from higher energy state to lower energy state, it radiates energy in the form of electromagnetic waves. And so we get line spectrum. Dear students, the hydrogen atom has the simplest line spectrum. With more and more heavier atom, the line spectrum becomes more and more complex. But every atom has its unique line spectrum. So I hope you understood this topic very well.